Hey Prakshu,
Hi, Nirupa.
how are you?
Good, you?
I'm fine. How is your Python practice going on, Prakshu?
Yeah, it's going good.
Nice. Then I can message you like when. So can you explain me the third question? Actually, the yesterday sir gave Prakshu. Did you do those, Prakshu?
Yes, I did it.
You did programs or algorithms?
I did programs.
Okay. So can you explain me the third question? So he's uh
Which one? What was
35.
it?
That third one's about 35 pass marks if all subject.
So, yeah, just I did it like I entered five subject marks. So I did condition like M1 more than 35 and M2 more than 35 with and. I did condition with and. So when all will be like okay, then he will be pass.
Okay,
Getting my point?
no, you took 5 subjects in a list. Then you said if condition you used. If
Yes. If with and,
okay,
like because sir said like he should be pass in every subject, like more than 35, then he will be pass.
okay,
So if we will give like okay, one more than 35 and two more than 35 and three more than 35 and four more than 35 and five more than 35, then print pass in all subject.
no. So no. First condition you gave all 6 subject more than 35, then print pass. That is what
Yes.
you said, right?
Yeah, that is only one condition I did because
Okay. And
there
what
was
did
no
you
other.
then what did you do with the max marks is 100?
Where in Max?
In
In this program?
this program, he said the maximum marks is 100 and you need to display the percentage. So what is the
No, that
difference?
was different question, no?
That's I wrote everything as the first one and third one. I didn't find what is the difference between
No. In first one, he said like you have to enter 5 subject marks. Then you will get the percentage. Then on the basis of percentage, you will assign the grades. Okay, like between 90 to 100, it will be A grade. 80 to 90, it will be B grade. I get that point.
okay,
So I did according to that.
okay.
Are you
Okay.
guys able to do that? Are you guys done with that?
I just did 2 and this I am
Good.
stuck in the second one. The block is not executing.
What block?
I mean, in my program, the particular block which I did, it is not executing. I tried to find
Which
out, but the second one take mobile number as the input.
mobile number? Okay,
Yeah.
but in the mobile number, we have to convert that integer into a string.
String.
I think so. I did that way. Like I input my mobile number, then I convert it into a string, then I sort it, and then I print the greatest and smallest number. That was the question, no?
So you took the mobile number not in a list, but you took it as a string.
No. Yes, like you can say, but I just entered a random number, like integer.
So you said the string of that particular number.
Yes.
Okay. I don't know, but yeah, I feel it is interesting and same time it is so frustrating. Actually, I'm
Yeah.
sitting.
But basically, I think what sir wants to say, like we just need to clear on the logic. We have no need to write the programs. That
that part, I think I'm getting stuck there.
So like if you are clear with logic, then you can, he said that you can tell to anyone, they can write program for you.
No, that is the part. I didn't go to any other job profiles, that's the part. I don't want to on that part and do this brainstorming kind of thing. I don't want that kind of stress. That's the main thing I asked so many times when I'm coming into this program, Bhumika.
It's frustrating when you are not getting like answer. Like whenever it is stuck.
And even I wanted to spend more time, I'm not able to.
You can share You can share your screen and tell me what's your doubt and where you are stuck.
Yeah.
Just I'll help you to make I'll help you to fix your thought process.
Okay. So you want me to share the program
Yes, yes,
yesterday which I
yes,
stopped
yes,
and yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay. So can you see, sir?
Yes, I'm able to see.
So to find the biggest and smallest number, I'm just using the functions actually.
Okay.
Uh,
You're defining a function.
yeah.
You're
I just
defining a function, but why you kept a hash in
Oh,
front?
that
Why you
I
comment?
don't want that to print. It's not working.
Then
It's only going till the
okay, if it is not working also, you need to then if you're removing the function means you need to remove that indentation also, right?
which one,
If
sir?
your indentation is there, right? After function,
This
four
one.
spaces is there.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, okay. Yeah, that is okay. No, I didn't do I just left after that. This part so I will tell you I'll just take this away. It's not going
Okay.
completely
Find
into
the
the
biggest
program.
biggest and small number in mobile without using built-in functions. Okay, right. I'll tell you. Can you write your own program? Maybe you saw somewhere or you developed
No,
your own
this
program,
part,
right?
no, this part I took help from my husband because this is the part, the down part. I did it. It's not
So
working.
I,
So
I'm able to understand. I'm able to understand by seeing the code. This is not written by you.
yeah,
Okay.
because the down part, I did it like I just searched and I did it, but even then it is not working. So
Okay.
my husband doesn't know Python. We both started and we searching and we are doing it and
Okay. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. Just you'll only do by yourself. Now I'll guide you. Come down. Come
okay,
to the new cell.
new one.
So
Okay.
anyone completed it? Or each and
Yes,
everyone are
I completed it.
okay, right. Nirupa, just what's the thing at here? So you need to take the mobile number. You need to take mobile number, right?
Okay.
Right. How you will extract the mobile number?
For loop.
How you will take the input?
Okay, so input, I'll take it like some variable and I will take it into that.
1 second. Mm, I'm requesting you.
Stop.
No, no.
Okay.
So no, I asked you to
Oh,
the remote access.
yeah, I did.
Okay. For example, what's your thing? Input. Right. Input. In the initial stages of programming, you don't try to optimize the code and you don't try to be smart. You need to implement the things with help of the knowledge what you know. Then only you'll get an understanding how it is executing and how how the flow is. So now you're taking an input, right?
Okay.
Now I'm giving 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Okay.
Okay.
So what is this? Defaultly, this is in the format of string, right? Defaultly, input function will extract all the result in
String.
Type.
it is a string. Now, what you need to do? You need to separate each and every number from that particular string, right?
Okay.
So how it will be looking like? It is a string. You
Okay.
need to separate each and every number from string. That is your first part. How you will do?
Split, sir? No.
Yes. No. Okay. You're saying split. Okay. Apart from the split, how you will split each and every number?
For loop.
Yes. For I in, for
I
I in, okay.
in,
And
sir, in is not there.
for I in numbers dot append int I. I'm creating one empty list, and I'm appending each and every element into this particular list. Okay. Now what numbers contain?
Sir, this part numbers you created one empty list. Why?
Yes. Why? Because I'm extracting each and every number from
And you're
string.
putting that in another variable.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm storing all the numbers in one list. Now all I have in numbers, I
Okay.
have all the numbers.
Okay, we are first we gave it as a input in general input. Then we are putting that in after extracting. We are putting that in a list.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have all these numbers. How many numbers are there in it? 10 numbers, right?
10, yeah.
Yeah.
Now what is your duty?
To find
Now
the
how
big,
to find the biggest
big-
number and to find the
small.
smallest number. Who solved this thing? Who solved this question? Prakshu. Prakshu, how you
Yes,
solved
sir.
it?
I just solved it with sorted function, and I did indexing like first. So I did sort like 0 to 9,
Mm-hmm.
and I just print okay indexing 0 1. So it give me the shortest one, the smallest one, and I print index -1. So it give me
Okay.
the greatest one.
Okay, right. And any
So is
other
it
one
right or
solved it?
not?
So no, you use the inbuilt functions, right?
Yes,
You
yes,
use the inbuilt function. If that
yes.
is the case, directly you can use evaluate, and
Okay,
with help of directly you can able to take in a single shot.
okay.
But
Hmm.
my intention is that here you
Hmm.
don't use any inbuilt functions, which will directly give the result.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it. Hmm.
So
Okay. Now you have numbers and the list. How you got to know which is big and which is small? For example, if you have a two numbers, how you will decide which is the big number and which is the small number?
we will compare them.
We will.
Compare.
Okay. How you will compare?
Like greater. I mean,
More than or
numbers.
equal.
You will take one number from it,
Okay.
and after that, what you will do?
We will see if this is big with the other number or not, big or small with the other number.
Or sir, can we use the if and else if?
If and
Else if.
Oh, you're
the,
asking what statement flow statements we can use here.
yes, I mean like how you will solve. I'm not
If
asking you to
maximum
solve
number.
simply. I'm not asking you to solve simply. I am asking you to solve the problem with the things which you already know. Which already you know.
Sir, I try to do like put the if maximum number equal to.
If you use maximum number, it will identify, right? By default, it will identify.
So like
If I
yesterday you did that for
yes,
INT.
yes, why can't you do like that? I'm
Hmm.
not asking you to simply do that, right? I'm not asking you to write a perfect program, or I'm not asking you to write an optimized code. I'm just asking you to be practice. It may be lengthy also. Uh, can anyone tell here we can use packing and unpacking?
Packing and unpacking here.
Yes.
How can we use it? Because we just need to do the comparison, right? Like
Yes,
why?
right. We need, for example, we have two numbers, A, B, C. Okay. Have you identified biggest number from 3 numbers? Have you
I'll say,
identified?
we'll say if A is greater than B and A is greater than
Right.
C, print
Why
it,
can't you write a logic for these 10 numbers?
because that is very, no, the if conditions will keep on, like, if you have to
Yes,
do
it
the,
will increase. Yes,
yeah,
it will
Hmm.
increase. What will happen?
it will be
I
lengthy.
didn't put, yes, it will be lengthy, but you will be
Hmm.
practiced to
Okay.
utilize, and it will be helpful for you to develop the logic. If you know the lengthy way, and if you're working on the lengthy way, in between that, you'll get an idea where you need to optimize and where you need to decrease the thing. To
Okay.
be master and to be very familiar with the programming language, you need to do and you need to try and you need to be I mean, it's like you need to face a lot of errors and lot of lengthy code. Then only you are able to identify the shortest path. For example, you're traveling in a city, in the first day itself, you will go in a shortcuts and less traffic routes. Is it possible?
No.
Even though if you're using Google and all those things? No, it's not possible with your experience and with your observations. It's possible. Okay, how you will identify, how you will use the packing and unpacking concept at here?
Like A, B, C, D, E, F equal to this. Then
A,
it will
B,
C.
C, D, E, F, G,
G,
H, I, J. How many numbers?
10.
10 numbers. Now,
set. Numbers.
okay. Now tell me why. Okay, if I am using here numbers as a set, why can't I give in an empty set to append? Why? Because append function is not applicable for tuple, right?
Hmm.
Yes.
So that is the reason I used list, and I am using. I'm just converting set at here.
Hmm.
If I executed this, all the values will be like A, comma B, comma C, right?
Okay.
Now in each and every value has like this. All those values are in this particular thing. Now what do you need to do? How you will write the code?
So now you'll use the if conditions are if A is equal to, I mean, A is greater than B, A, and A is greater than C, and A is greater than, like that.
Okay, for example, if I asked you to write yesterday, we written some program. I asked you to try to fulfill that equalities and what it need to be happen. It will be the lengthy code.
Lengthy code. Yeah.
Yes.
You fixed that thing or you didn't do?
Which one was the biggest number one, sir?
Yes, the biggest number one. We tried, right? I showed to you, right?
Oh, yeah, I didn't do, sir. That's not here, but it's not here, but I
Uh,
didn't do it.
Okay. Now tell me how you will find out which number is the biggest number.
Okay,
Try
we will.
to
Yeah,
try
we
to
will.
tell me the logic. Don't say, I mean, say like, yes, if A greater than or equal to B, A greater than or equal to C, A
Mhm.
greater than or equal to D, first 9 conditions you will get. 9 conditions, how many times you need to write? 9 times you need to write. Total 81 conditions you
One
will
time.
use.
Yeah.
Okay, but try to decrease how you are able to justify that thing. How you were able to justify that thing.
Mm. So
Or sir, can we do like less than 10 or more than?
no.
No?
Um,
How you will identify.
can no, just
I'm given 10 numbers to you. Okay. I'm asking, you need to give me the shortest path to identify. I mean to say like shortest way. I'm asking. We know, each and everyone will know, with help of initially 9 conditions, 9, 9, 9, 9, 81 plus else condition, 82 conditions. If it is satisfied, we will get the result. But what is the way? Just take a pen and paper and try to find out the logic. I mean to say, like, it may be addition or subtraction, whatever may be the way. Whatever may be the way. I'm not restricting you to with anything. I'm not restricting you with anything. Try to develop a logic. What it will be happen.
Or can we use a range?
You can use anything, but not max, min, sort with help of index.
Index, okay, yeah.
Simple. I mean to say, like, very simple things also we can able to solve very complex problems with help of a simple thing.
Mhm.
Take a pen and paper and write 10 numbers and you try to identify. You can do anything, but without inbuilt functions. How you will do this? How you will do? Try to think. I mean, so that is each and everyone will know, right? The if conditions, if and else conditions, you know. But my ask is, try to find out, at least try to decrease one step to fine tune that logic.
Digest value. Mm.
Sir,
Hello.
can
Sorry,
we?
I'm talking in mute.
No. Huh?
Okay.
No.
I meant to say like how many numbers
Sir,
we are
sir,
we have in length. Yes, yes,
can
tell me.
can we say if for a for loop, can we do so this is set right, like for I in, you're saying in range, right? In range of 1 to something. Without range, can we just give for I in in the numbers?
Mhm.
No, let's give like that. If we give like that and we take one variable max and like the for loop, so
I
then
mean, say like Nirupa, whatever the logic you were thinking, try
Mhm.
to put it in a put it in a way. I would say like, okay, in a words or something else. Then you'll get a clarity.
ఓకే. అంటే నాకు చెప్పడం రావట్లా. ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ లైక్ ఒక
ఫర్ లూప్
ఫర్
యూస్ చేసి
తీసుకొని
ఆ లిస్ట్ లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ ను ఒక దాన్ని
ఒక్కొక్కటి
తీసుకొచ్చి దాన్ని ఇంకో
ఒకటి
దాంతో సెలెక్ట్.
తీసుకొచ్చి ఇంకో దాంతో కంపేర్ చేసి
ఈ
ఒకవేళ
రెండు బిట్లో పెద్దదైతే దాన్ని అట్లా
అయితే
పక్కన
దాన్ని
పెట్టుకొని
ఆ మ్యాక్స్ అనే దాంట్లోకి పెట్టొచ్చు. అలా పెట్టకూడదు. అలా పెట్టొచ్చా సార్?
ఎస్ దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వన్ వే.
ఓకే.
ఓకే, నౌ సి నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే జస్ట్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్, ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ట్రై టు ఫైండ్ ద all the index, all the values. Initially I'm taking one index, one element from the list. Which element I am taking? Numbers. 0 element I am taking. Something is there. This is what I am considering the maximum number. I am considering this as my maximum number. Okay, now what is the value it contains? What
9.
is the value it contains? It contains 9, right? Now you know, remaining how many values I need to check with this 9? 9 values, right?
9 values.
From 1 to index how much?
1 to
9. 1
9.
to 9. Length of the numbers, its length is 10. Here if you are mentioning 10 means you will get up to 9, right? Remaining all the numbers, already 0 index I am already accessed it. From 1 to 9 only I need to use 9 times only it repeated. If it is repeated, all the values will come into the picture.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
For example, just I'll show. Print I. What are the values it will print? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many times loop is repeating? How many times loop is repeating? 9 times.
9 times.
9 times.
Already one number we already taken from this particular list. Now we are asking this particular for loop to rotate up to 9 times. Now you see what we need to check now. What we need to check now? If numbers, our list is right, I greater than
Numbers of I.
greater than greater than what? Max. Then what need to be happen?
Put that in
1
the
second.
max.
It is a inbuilt function, right? Max
Yeah.
number. Then max number is equal to this one. If this is win, if they both compare, then that should be need to move to the max number, right? If you consider just two numbers. Okay, it need how many times it need to happen? How many times it will check? 9 times it will check. Just come out of the loop. At the end, the only one max number value will be resulted into that particular location. Now just print.
Let's see. So they say, can we use the same thing for this minimum number also by saying number of I less than min number like that?
Yes. For example, just you see. Okay, 1 second. Okay, min number.
So, sir, ఇప్పుడు
Is there any new thing we used which
no,
you don't know?
no.
Or is there any very complex loops we used?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, 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 yes. Tell me.
So you used for loop, you took one variable I to bring the numbers from that, each number from that numbers thing.
Yes, yes.
Okay, you used range function and you gave specified first, because we already accessed the first zero index one,
Okay.
and you are saying till the end of length of the numbers, right?
Yes. Why? Because I need to check each and every number in the list, right?
Okay. Okay. If and you used if condition here saying number of I, అంటే ఇప్పుడు number of I లో, so what number is there if it is number of I అంటే will it go and check again the 9 number of I అంటే
This is an
0 to
index. This is an index, right? This is the way to access an index.
yeah, I understood, but this number of I and what
What is the first number it will get? It will, if it is starting from 1
one,
in the
okay,
first
one.
round, 1.
So 8.
After that 2. After that 3. After that 4.
Okay, 8. First
After that,
first 8 will go here.
yeah. First 8 will go here and will
8 is
compare.
less than
8
minimum
is less
number
than
అంటే
9.
9. Okay.
It will exchange.
Minimum number is equal to a number loan. If that is the less number, it will put it into this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So ఇలా రాస్తుంటే ఈజీగా అనిపిస్తుంది సార్. No, when we do it on our own.
సో నేను చెప్తున్నాను అదే, ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ సింగిల్ నైట్ జాబ్ ఆర్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ సింగిల్ వీక్ జాబ్. You need, you know, whenever in real time, you don't need to write this much. I mean to say, like, you don't need to, you know, it's like a pretty straightforward. And whenever it is required, remember one thing: already people have solved a lot of problems, and each and every solution is available in the internet. But the only thing is, you need to know how to ask Google about your requirement.
My husband said the same thing actually. You should at least know the fundamentals to ask Google the right
Yes.
question.
Yes, that is the thing. Why?
Yeah.
Because we are humans. I mean to say, like, we have a lot of activities. It's not possible to remember and memorize, you know, everything and every document and every new change.
Okay.
Okay, they are the so that is the thing. So this is the individual. These are the two programs, right?
Okay.
Okay. If we develop,
Hello.
yes, you're able to hear me.
Now, yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the simplest way. Try to tell me any another logic for the same thing. One is the if else one, if else one. And now we written in this way, and try to give me any another way to solve these things. Implementation.
Sir, one question. In the
Yes,
line
tell
number 6, sir, where we set do we need to set all these numbers to some?
No, those are not
That
required.
is just the other thing,
Why?
right?
Because I yes, this is another thing I want to say, right? Where is our code? From where is our code?
From that
Yes, sir.
number.
Yeah, we started it from here. Yeah.
sorry. There it is. Your
Mm,
sensitivity.
I will show sir. This we started from here. No, we started from here, I guess.
Okay. Now I'm trying to
Again,
improvise this code.
yeah.
I'm trying to improvise this code.
Mm-hmm.
Control A. Okay, see.
Okay.
Oh God, what happened?
So this is Nirupa's screen. So it's with
Sir, ఇప్పుడు you gave it like you use that packing and unpacking thing here, right?
Yes.
Do we need to do it like compulsory, or we can't we do it directly from the list, the what you did now?
yeah, that was my question. We don't. I don't think so. We need that. Packing.
Okay, numbers dot attend, and you're taking input and you're converting that number and you're storing into this, and after that you're accessing this and this and this. Okay, for loop, and it's completed. You developed it and you're taken a maximum number. Mm, and minimum number, two numbers if you took, two numbers if you took. Best of numbers you took. Return. Okay, okay. Now we'll try to include all this code in one function, one code. Control C. Okay. Okay. Now in min number and maximum number is there. Oh
Mm,
God.
We didn't print the num like but why are you returning, sir, here? Are you doing functions?
Yes, you tried, you started with that, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. Like last week, I tried different things. So I thought, okay, I'll use it. I just want to check if I remember anything or not. And I started off with that. కానీ ఇక్కడ యా డిఫైన్ ఫంక్షన్ అనేది
Your sensitivity is too high.
ఇట్ వెంట్ సార్ నేను ఇది కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేయనా? యూ కెన్
ఒకసారి కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేయండి ఒకసారి.
సార్ ఐ సెంట్ ఇట్.
Okay, this is a return. Invalid syntax at here.
అది కోడ్స్ లో ఉందనుకుంటా సార్. ఇట్స్ ఐ థింక్ దట్ కోడ్స్ రైట్, ఐపీ మొబైల్.
Okay, see, these are the typo errors. Int object is not iteratable. It is taking as a int object. Okay, now what we need to do? What we need to do at here? IP
ఐపీ నెంబర్.
Now what it is saying? Name number is not defined. Where we missed.
This one, sir, return in the return statement, you said max
Okay.
number and
Main number, right?
so.
If you provided any number, you know,
Mm.
this function will return maximum and min numbers. Up to what is the limit? In between, mobile number should be in between 0 to 9 only, right?
Mhm.
Right? Okay, one
Mhm.
second. You maybe to do the testing. Okay, it is working fine. For example, just you say. Once again, I'm trying to write. Okay.
So the changes what you did here is you took out that input function, you I mean you kept hash, like commented it, and you said IP mobile number equal to string of IP mobile number. So ఇక్కడ string of అని why did you do it like this, sir, here, this part?
Okay. So if I provided, if I taken the entire 10 numbers as an integer, we are not able to iterate through it. We're not able to separate those elements. For example,
Okay.
if it is 3223 is there, you can able to separate 3, 2, 2, 3 with help of for loop.
Mm.
What is the error you will get? What is the error you will get? Int object is not iterable.
Mm.
Okay, so that is the reason what I'm doing. If it is yes,
String of
string,
Okay.
Then after that, I'm converting into number.
Okay.
Like this. Okay, here we can able to do more optimization. For example, see how I'll tell. So this is the function, right? Now I'm doing. I'll try to do more optimized. More optimized. Here maximum number I'm taking, right? I'm taking a rand number. Rand number. No, no. Here you need to take maximum number only. Here you need to optimize it. Max number and minimum number you need to take, and you need to move the things. Is it clear? And anyone have any doubts? Function. Function will return values. How many values it need to return? You need to define. Okay. Function we will define with help of the def function.
Mm.
Is it clear? The logic. Okay. Leave about the functions, but you understand the logic, how we are taking and how we are comparing. If you see, there is no too much complexities. This problem we can solve with help of the while loop and etc. yz, xyz also. But you know, the thing is,
Basic. Yeah, knowing the basics, I think that's the most important thing to do.
yes.
Mm. Okay. So this you converted. Nice. Sir, and this note, something which you gave in the, that's your notes, sir?
Ah, no. Someone's notes.
Yeah, I thought your writing is beautiful then.
Ah, no. My rating is not that good.
Okay.
It's
Okay. So this one, you want us to go through this as a resource, sir? Comparison. I think sir is on mute.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yes.
yes. Tell me something you are asking.
So this one, the Python, the handwritten notes, we have
Yes.
to use that as a resource.
Yes, I meant to say like yes. So I saw that thing, and someone from my previous batch students, they are sharing. So no, I feel like that is very simple and good notes. You know,
Yeah.
maybe that person also try to explain to the basic people who don't know anything. That's also good. I would say like as a I would say like Indians will like the
Write
notes,
everything.
right?
Yeah.
Write everything and like the notes, and it's very easy
Yes.
if we feel like that. If we
Yeah.
have any notes.
It's comforting, sir. At least if we
Mm,
don't understand, going back to the notes is
mm,
comforting.
yes. So that's the reason I shared with you.
Okay.
Okay, remember, I mean, say like this is not, you know, with help of I mean, say like 7 or 8 years of experience, I'm able to do these things.
Hmm.
I mean, say like it's not. I mean, people are there who can write better and best than me. There are a lot of people, you know, I'm not a programmer. The thing is, I'm smart at the things which are required combinedly for my task. I'm not a best bowler. I'm not a best batsman. I'm not able. I'm not a best fielder. But I'm the best person who knows all these three. Okay, if you compare the persons who knows Python and analysis and machine learning and all those things, if you take that kind of persons, I'm somewhat better than compared to the all. I'm not an expert in Python. I'm not an expert in ML. And, for example, I'm saying Whatever the requirements we need to know or we need to we have to fulfill the job, that is very important. You don't need to be mastery. Maybe the language inventor also not able to write directly because multiple community helped right to develop after that, after invention of the Python. He also need to refer only if you need to develop anything. What are the changes? What is the keyword? He is also human, right? He is not a human computer, right?
Yeah.
He also need to refer 1000 and 2000 pages or 2500 pages of documentation will be there. Direct documentation, indirect documentation, approximately 10,000 pages of a digital document. It's not possible for everyone, each and everyone to remember these things.
Okay. Okay. So, to begin with, like, at least to do that logic
So
part.
you guys are very, I'm going to say like doing great. If I want to say, if I want to give my overall feedback, you guys are doing good at programming
Oh, really?
compared to the lot of people. Understanding fundamentals and identifying the way is very important. You guys are good at that thing. You don't feel like that, how we are not able to write these programs in a single step and how we are not able to write. You don't think about that. You guys are doing great. Just, on practice and on implementation and by seeing a lot of problems, you'll be habituated to it.
Okay.
Maybe after some days, you will be better than me. It's completely based on the problems which you will solve. And to do these activities, the first and most important thing is basics. If you are strong in basics, maybe you are not able to solve a problem in a good, very optimized and simple steps, but you are able to solve. You understand?
Yes,
But
sir.
you are able to solve. Whatever may be the complex problem, you are able to solve if you are completely strong in basics. Just see, is there any difficult thing which we didn't discuss, or any very complex logic or very advanced concepts are there in it?
No, you made it look very simple actually, and yeah, what I understood is getting your basics, like,
Is very
knowing them
important.
very important, and trying to understand the problem and breaking it down.
Yes, you need to break it down the problem into small pieces. I written very small codes, right?
Yes,
Two
you.
lines and two lines and two lines, and after that we merged it. Okay, after merging, I directly got the result. No, right? I got some errors. After that, I went to it, I understood the problem, and I rectified that thing. This is the way how we need to solve and how we need to learn the programming.
Yeah. Okay, then the rest 3, I will try to do this weekend as my homework with that statistic.
Okay, and remember one thing, try to revise the things. Try to revise the concepts.
Yeah.
Revise means by looking is not sufficient.
By doing
If you're
only, yeah.
executing, by doing only. Mathematics and programming both are same. If you
I
will
have,
do, then only you will get doubts.
so
Yes,
I
tell
have
me,
one
Prakash.
question.
Yes,
We
yes,
have to
Prakash.
do that. We have to write that programs without inbuilt function.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, that I missed that line yesterday. So that's why I wrote all 5 like with the
Yeah,
whatever
with
I
the
learned.
inbuilt functions with one line, everything will be solved actually, Prakshu.
Okay, but why? Because this is an exercise for you.
Yeah, but it's good, at least they are inbuilt functions like that to do the thing.
Yeah, with that I did all 5 programs and they are working very fine. So I just got confused, like we have to do without inbuilt functions.
Okay, I want to say like if the particular inbuilt function is suitable for our direct input, we no need to use. For example, range function is there. That is also inbuilt data type. We can use those things. Those are not straightforward answers, right? Those are not giving it straightforward answers.
Hmm.
Okay. And 1 second, I want to select. I'll share something with you to give a quick review for your things. Uh, data analytics document.
Are you showing anything, sir?
No. I'm sharing some questions with you. Shares and intro. I shared one IPY-NB notebook. Approximately 25 or 26 questions will be there in it. All the basics revision. It will be helpful for you to spend some time on weekend and try to revise those things and be strong in
Basics.
basics. That is a funda. Not only this language. It may be a Tableau, or it may be Excel, or it may be a, whatever it may be. It may be a SQL. Very strong in basics is very important thing.
Okay.
After that, you can do whatever you want to do. That is the only one thing I can say.
So with this Python, the Tableau, Excel, the Power BI, SQL, how many more classes we will be having, sir? Inka 1 month untunda?
Yes, 15 days to 1 month.
Okay.
Okay, then after that, I want to say like after each and everything is completed, 1 or 2 days, I'll arrange a one-on-one classes for each and everyone to understand and to know your strengths and help you to prepare a resume. I'll try to give some guidance related to it. And after that, I'll give some projects for each and everyone. I'll give some data sets, and at the end, I'll show you some projects to you, how to write and how to do start to end, from taking data from database to doing cleaning and performing some manipulations with help of Python, and getting the optimized end result and showing that result into visualization. And with help of PowerPoint, you need to present to the business. Up to there, I'll help you on that one. And after that, I'll give you projects to each and everyone, and I'll connect with you on the whenever you have some doubts after completion of your resume and your discussion.
Okay, so all this will take 1.5 month or so, right, sir?
1 month it will take. I mean to say like.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, coming 15 days, you will have to be 2 or 3 classes on SQL, and 1 or 2 classes, 2 to 3 classes in Excel, and 3 to 4 classes on Tableau to design filterings and cascading filters and dashboards, all those things, and 5 to 6 classes required for Power BI.
So Power BI, DAX, scripts, everything that will be enough, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
In Power BI, the heart is only DAGs.
Okay.
Okay. Have a
Okay.
nice weekend, and please try to revise those things.
Yeah.
If
Thank you, sir.
possible, after completion of Python, it's not possible to hear. Okay, leave about it. Just try to revise only Python.
Sir, you will share this file, right?
Uh,
The control
one
file.
second, one second. Flow control. So flow control, right? This file you're asking?
Yes, sir. Flow control. Yeah, whole. Just to revise.
Yes, I shared.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you guys. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.
Good night, sir.
Good. Okay. Good
Good
morning.
night, everyone.
Good afternoon.